Welcome everybody to Hannon's Corner. This series is What's in the Box. It's a series where we're going to do an unboxing of different tech items, different toys, all different types of stuff. We'll start out just like this. If you like the series, give us a subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out, and hit the like if you like the video. But let's get into it. Today we are unboxing the Canon VIXIA HF800 Full HD camcorder. It's the black one we got. So let's get into it. I already opened the box just to double check it was actually here. And if you do look on the front of the box, it does say 700, but that is just the error in box. Okay. And this is the kit. It's not just the. I think it retailed for $265 on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description for that. But it comes with a bunch of stuff with it. So we'll start unboxing. Okay, so we got a nifty little case. It's packed pretty well. So we have room. I'm gonna bring this downwards and so far got the case. This is a little digital camera 5-piece camcorder accessory kit. So it's a cleaning kit. That's not too bad. Can always use that. It looks like we got the 6.5-inch mini tabletop tripod with pistol grip. We'll open it up in a second, but yeah, that's what little, pretty good little grip. Seems pretty good. Okay. Oh, we got here. Got a rechargeable battery for Canon, obviously, since we are dealing with the Canon camcorder. Probably gotta have the right thing. Comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card, full size, not the mini ones. So it goes up to 80 speed, 80 megabytes per second. Also comes with a 60-inch Pro Series tripod. It's pretty good. 60 inches, not bad. Good for outdoor shoots type thing. Handheld ones for carrying around stuff where you don't need a large tripod like this. And let's see what else we got in here. Looks like that's some sort of little thing. We'll open it in a second. Got that. We'll open that in a second. Oh, also comes with a card reader. Bid Pro. Can't go wrong with a card reader. Totally get to the meat and bones of it. Okay, so it looks like the last thing in the box is the Canon camcorder. It's a VIXIA HF800 R800. I chose it because I'm actually doing streaming, and let's figure out what this thing is first. We didn't see anything on it, so it might be just a card reader, card holder, little pouch. I think that's what it is. Yeah, it holds a little accessories. Looks like it's a little accessory pouch. Hooks onto a belt. If you need a quick something, anything, battery type thing. Let's see, we got the battery itself. Tiny little thing. Just normal clip-on type situation. we'll display it all nicely by the end of the video. Cleaning kit, it's an obvious cleaning kit. I'm not going to open that. This will open. It's the handheld if I can. There's a. Got a little. It's all push. Cool. So all got push-in buttons, so you can push. Nice little control there. That's for locking in. How does that come apart? There must be a way to get that apart. Okay, it does not want to unlock. Oh, okay. Okay, so the handle separates on the bottom here, so you can have a nice little tripod. Goes like that. Obviously, you adjust it to whatever setup, and it kind of looks like that. Get rid of that bag. That bag too. And obviously a card reader. How did they? We'll just look into the card reader. As long as everything works, no big deal. Nice little USB card reader. Little cap. It's like it holds two cards. Maybe it's for mini and large. Not bad. Nice little case. SD card. It's a typical SD card. And got our carrying case. One of the reasons why I got the kit was it came with a carrying case and the tripods. Let's see. It's got it's like it's strappable. Strap inside. Yep, cool. Nice little kit. Get rid of that stuff. Don't need that. Don't need the gel. But yeah, little kit. It's got a couple side pouches, hold things, different lenses probably. Yeah, nice little kit. Little camera holder. Okay, let's get through. Got the tripod. Shouldn't be too bad. Just be typical tripod. Oh, comes with a case. Always nice to have a case with your tripod. Don't know how many times that you're going to look to travel with stuff and you don't really have a holder for it. And it's a nice decent little case to do that. But yeah, typical. Got the case. Don't need the bag on there. Nice. And decent thumb screws. It's got a wind up. Come on. Just working in different little stuff. So, but nice little tripod. Okay, that's not what you're all exactly here for. You're more wondering, what's this look like? Take a look. Sorry for that. Got the manual. Alright, so I got the manual. We'll do we'll do that. Also came into the little charger, probably for the batteries and to run it off of AC power. Mini 3-foot USB-A to mini cable. Not too bad. Also, the battery that comes with it. The other one's a spare battery, so. Looks like, what's this? Looks like a HDMI 2.0 to a HDMI mini cable. Good for hooking into the camera and doing what I'm going to be using it for is for streaming. Hook it up. There'll be other stuff that I'll need to hook it up. That'll be in another video. And got the camera. Nice palm-sized camera too. It's pretty light. Yeah, adjust obviously everything. Got a nice turnstile LCD. All the what's that? What did I just do? For the it's got a nice little LCD screen. All the plugins are right there. Camera's there. Got the once I can get my hand aligned so it works. All the zooms on the top. Got a nice little strap. Might go a little tighter on my hand because I like to be more secure and know, hey, when I'm videotaping like this, I can control everything. So, well, not too bad. On-off buttons in here. There's where the SD card goes. Got the playback. Looks like audio mic out. AV out headphones so you can hear what's going on. It's got the typical bottom setup for going into a tripod. Shutter, everything. So pretty good. Record button's right here. Right at obviously the side where the thumb rest is. Not bad. So, what's this? Oh, it's got got a shutter close on the side here that you can open and close the shutter manually. Which I bet it's manual and auto. Let's see that. It's got 32 optical zoom, HD CMOS, optical image stabilizer, 57x advanced zoom, so it can go pretty far distance. It's HDMI. It's 1080p. It'll do 60 frames per second. Nice little thing. And I'll do a review later of what it actually is. We don't need that. But a little kit for $260. Nice little kit for that. I'd recommend it. If you want to know where to buy it, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content from us, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification so you have an idea when we actually upload a new video. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the first ever what's in the box. Pretty good thing. So, be good to yourself and each other. Have a good day.